Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That is where we shall be buying gold at. What is the price again? 3281. Good evening, good evening. How are you? How is everybody? I just wanted to share with you during this week, which is from today up until Friday, Ronaldo events in the marketing, of which the major event that is coming up this week, the FOMC, that's what you call it, Federal Open Market Committee, which is an event along the Americans will be giving a report the interest rate. Something we as traders are celebrating what will be happening in regards of the American dollar on Wednesday. So bear in mind that speaking of the interest rate decision, kind of speaking of the FOMC, Wednesday, 8 p.m. As traders, we are looking forward on to seeing where the Federal Open Market Committee, the leader, kana chairperson ya America, Mr. Jerome Powell, the interest rate. We expect to see it not doing good for the Americans. Why am I saying this? Because the inflation rate the inflation rate so high inflation rate ya be re bontsha gore ditlhwatlhwa tsa dithoto di palame ko America, and it's something that is already happening globally. I believe that we see a lot of stuff starting to get expensive. That is what forex is. That is what drives the forex markets, and I'm just here to give you an insight of what may happen. Today is a Monday, and it's not a good day to trade today. Trader is from Tuesday, where the commercial banks banking, market. Remember, the forex markets circulate around 7.4 trillion every day. The dollar. So let Nagi $100 swami. Yeah, be the same. So I just came to educate you on the possibilities of what may happen. Is report their interest rate decision. The American dollar is not doing well. In fact, the whole globe is not doing well. So don't expect to see something positive for the USD. My chart here. I did mention or show a price of 3281. That is a price I'm expecting to buy my gold. I'm expecting to buy my gold trade. Currently it's falling. Currently gold it's retesting. So ka kitso kana ka teme ya rona ya forex ya the monthly pivot we are expecting to see the gold heading to, and then on Wednesday the monthly pivot we will be buying it against the American dollar. As America interest rate they are forced to reduce it. They're forced to reduce it because in the past week, the CPI, the Consumer Price Index, not doing well. Okay, forex has a these charts. It's not all about looking at these charts and thinking that charts will do. It's all about following the foreign affairs. Israel. Remember that wherever there is war, geopolitical events, they do affect the economy. They do affect the currency of that particular economy. di bomb tse di bonang di thunya ko Iran, di bomb tse di bonang di thunya ko Israel. What happens to those people by long they have been employed ba bereka mo di hoteleng tseo ba bereka mo di building tseo tse long gore they are being bombed right now? Ga ba sa tlhola ba gona gore ka moso ba tsoge ba ditirong. Whoa, ba gaetso it is a very bad economy. And let me tell you something about gold, because this year it's gold against the dollar. Gold loves war. Hakere gold loves war. Not that I'm celebrating that people should fight or war should be there, but in times of crisis, in times where countries are fighting, in times where there's war around the globe, the particular currency alone e ka dira sentle. Ke sone se re bonang la o ka check the Iranian currency kana the Israeli currency, wa go tell go that dropping in value, in exchange rate, because of the war. It is destroying singulesi. So this is where gold loves war. This is where investors would take the money out from Iran, will take the money out from Israel and invest in gold. More so that you know that a lot of Batubama Arabia, Badumela Tata Mokhauté. So this is where we're going to see the value of gold rising. This particular week, be it from tomorrow evening, kana gone ka laboraro, ke gone re tla be simolola go bona gold e ya go godimo. I'm expecting to buy gold at a price of 3281.776. Just note that price, 3281.776. Ke gona ha e leng gore phenyo ngwatshe o tla ba execute di buy tsa. Currently it's selling. It's selling, and go sell gateng, we know that it's heading to the monthly pivot. Speaking of a pivot, the exchange rate price that determines the trend of the market. Again, so currently, retest where gold is selling. Yone is still on a bullish trend. So this sells that are just temporary. It rates a number pricing at 3281.776. America a buyer, and it is going to be fueled by Wednesday hammer America bonds interest rate, which is going to come negative for the Americans. I think we also have the retail sales tomorrow, which may even spike the price of the gold up. Gold, to note this price again, 37.57. That is a price that I'm expecting to close my gold positions by the end of this month. Ka buy, be it tomorrow kana laboraro, and I'm going to hold my gold buys because I have done my analysis. Gold will reach the new highs. Remember, gold has went to a high of 35, right? So this particular month of June, I'm expecting to see the gold price going higher than the highest price it has ever been. From 35, which is considered the highest price that gold has ever been, I'm expecting to see gold price going to 37.57, 37.57.127, $3,757 US. That is the value that I expect to see gold. This is something it will also give you, or you are afraid to trade gold, a chance, an opportunity to buy the currency pairs that it's on Euro USD, because let's only Kamuso between tomorrow and Wednesday, they will also go bullish. So if you can't afford to buy gold because of the spread, because of the volumes, the commissions that your broker do charge, go for Euro USD. With Xness, it's charged at 9 pips. It is the cheapest pair to trade, Euro USD. So the moment I'm buying gold, be prepared to buy Euro USD Be prepared to buy GBP USD. Also, be prepared to sell USD JPY. Be prepared to sell USD CAD. Be prepared to sell USD CHF, Swiss franc. Jaka retlabe nna le yone kgang ya Wednesday, FOMC. So be prepared to sell the American dollar. Bao ba e leng gore they are aware of how technical analysis is done, you might as well go to DXY. DXY is the dollar index. It's trading below the monthly pivot, and it's trading below a price of 100. It's around 98 currently. Sales the value of the American dollar, ladies and gentlemen, is depreciating. And if it's depreciating, we buy it, we sell it. Again, we sell it. So I just wanted to share with you FOMC. I know everybody's happy. Yeah, FOMC is coming. Where is the trend going? So I am letting you know the forecast. I'm letting you know this is what I'm expecting to see marketing in terms of gold. I'm not going to come here and show you the results. Yay, done and dusted. No. On a Monday, this is what I'm expecting to see on Wednesday. Just so that we back on. Just so that only okay, fine. I want to be about FOMC, which are the interest rates of America. What do you expect in the markets? That's the purpose of a mentor. That's the purpose to give you the insights even before the event. So we are all going to be buying gold. FOMC, right? Gold targeta 37.57. That is a price that we will be targeting for gold. So if you do have any question, if you wish to join my live like I'm not teaching right now. Like my class saying, if you could request to go live with me, I'm definitely going to give you something, because not that I'm a giver. That one you should be knowing by now. Like if you just request to be added on my live, this, that, so if just don't hesitate to to go live. But go bona mpotse dipotso kana nna ke rata go botsa dipotso kana moruta bana ba gaetso tiro ya gago ke go botsa dipotso. Understand? So if you wish to go live with me right now, come on board. Come on board. Go live with me and ask me questions. I will definitely. Hey, Kibona, somebody's joining. Just ask me the boat yeah, somebody's trying to join the live. Maybe it's join. Hello. Somebody's trying to join. I think network ya gago ya mogana. Anyone who wishes to join the live, I kapela mampempe. Hey, I don't know what mampempe. But I don't know what mampempe. I don't know mampempe, but you wanna. Okay, well, can I keep working on a able to talk about the FOMC, the Federal Open Market Committee? Those are the things that runs the forex markets. Ari naming regulate into looking on technicals. Technicals, we only use them to confirm. Remember this candlesticks, whatever the move via the move via. There be the movie siwa, ki one kgang ya goreng. diabedi movisiwa ke khanya gore go diregetse jana mo lefatsheng kana forex ya tshela batho. Forex is something se gore I'm going to give you an example ka market session if ono sa tlhaloganya ka forex e berekang ka teng. Hari theogela ba gaetso mo Botswana from 8 a.m. to 4:30. That is the time it's considered as the market session. Ke ona nako e leng gore pula ya circulator re reka di lunch re reka di breakfast bo mme ba quickie ba mahale re isa madi ko di bankeng madi a ba circulator from 8 a.m. to 4:30. Right, ke ona nako e leng gore it's called kind of considered as the market session. So dinako tsa rona di a harologana mo lehatsheng ko America nako tse ba robala ko Australia ba ipakantsa go tsoga ko Asia ba ipakantsa go tsoga. So le wena as a trader you need to follow 8 currencies kind of 8 countries that are said to be the powerhouse. Number 1 the American dollar, Great British Pound, Australian dollar, Euro, Japanese yen, Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and Swiss franc. These 8 currencies, you should focus on pairing and trading. Stop trading bo Nigerian kwacha, stop trading bo Mexican peso English, because you won't get proper opportunities more marketing if you trade such. You need to be trading the currencies that of developed countries. But anyway, but Horana, this is the price I'm waiting to buy my gold at. This is the price I'm definitely waiting to buy my gold here. You see that this gold price, this is gold, XAUUSD. I'm just expecting it to drop. I'm expecting it to drop where it is to this price here, 32.81. I believe, I assume that it will be there by tomorrow, kana laboraro. Ha FOMC is an rona ba so let's just patiently wait. You know, something you need to understand about the market, they should be patient. You should be patient with the market. Don't just execute an order because if wait for it. You see this? This is me without any order. I get it. This is me without any order. I'm waiting for my gold price to reach this level, and then I will then execute a buy trade. And I can execute a buy trade at this price of 32.81. You know where is going to be my exit price? What's it? 37. 57. That is where I'm going to exit my trade. So I will also be patient enough to hold a trade from 32.81 and close it or 37.57. Imagine how many pips is that. Imagine how utseni ka 0.01 o ka kgona go bona bokae. But now the problem with you traders, you tend to, fear moody trades in Zalone. You lack confidence of holding trades. How hold le buy wa gago a tsamaya. How bona boela go tlase, you run away when as a trader. We need to understand that normal and forex trading botswana ha re le ruta ra be re le ruta gore there are prices tse leng gore the market will always reject. That rejection is the market will be retesting. So a retest is not a sign of a falling exchange rate price. It's a sign of an temporary sell before the price continues going up. Price they should always be levels, kind of the exchange rate prices, the market will retest out on. So you need to understand that, just so that you can have that patience to hold your trades. That is very important. If you have made your analysis come monthly time frame, wa boring kgona go bona gore tshimologo ya ga June until June go hela market wa go ka. So why can't you just hold the trade for that long? Analysis weekly. Why not hold your trade from Monday to Friday and continue working, continue going to Moraka? Kana forex is not all about being on the phone time and again. People who does look at the phones time and again are people who are hungry for money in the forex markets. People who lack discipline, who lack patience, who lack planning. Ke sone se o bona gongwe motho aba analyze market ka 5 minutes. Like, come on. How do you do that, ladies and gentlemen? How do you, as a forex trader, or no, I'm going to analyze the market using 5 minutes time frame? You know what's the danger of analyzing with a smaller time frame? Is 9:15. If kita at analysis 5 minutes, from 9:15 to 9:20, this is what I want to see in the market. This is what I want to trade. That is you blinding yourself in a case, in a sense that you don't see what will be happening the next 10 minutes, the next 15 minutes, of which that next 15 minutes, if there is an event or if there's something in the market, it is going to definitely crash your 5 minutes time frame. We always emphasize that the right time frames to do your analysis must start from H4, which is 4 hours. That time frame gives you enough time to do your analysis and relax. So H4, D1, weekly, monthly, those are the perfect time frames to analyze. I understand more marketing. We do have swing traders. We do have scalpers. Scalpers, take that 4 hours. Do your analysis on 4 hours. Execute your trades using smaller time frames. Bonobo M15, bo M5 bar. You confirm your analysis and execute trades. So I'm saying this because I've had questions in regards of Mr. Mas, how am I going to manage my trades if I'm at work? I'm always hands. But how am I going to manage we have traders, the swing traders, where you could make your analysis on Sunday, execute your trade on Monday, and close it on Friday. You don't need to be always on the phone, kind of on the laptop checking. That is what a trader does. Now, just a simple plan. When you engage in the forex markets, don't engage in a sense that you want to trade today on a Monday and leave the market today on a Monday profitable. That's a pressure. That's a psychology in order to market. You need to have a plan, ladies and gentlemen. How to animal forex? We thought, okay, fine. My plan. Let me just give you an example. The expenses system is up quite. Dimpata 20,000 pula, for example. If the expenses system is dimpata 20,000 pula ka quite, just so that you understand. Now, this is planning in forex. Remember, forex is a career. It's not gambling. It's not something that aeroplane whatever you say it. Okay. So you plan that, okay, fine. The forex market is open Monday to Friday, which is 22 days a month. So nakele pay you in a month, I would like to make 20,000 pula, for example. If I wish to make 20,000 pula more forexing, I need to divide the 20,000 pula by 22 days, which is going to give me an amount of 909 pula. So that 909 pula, I expect to make the profit just as the letters. So for me, as a trader, to accumulate 909 pula, which is about $67. For me to make $67 every day in the forex markets, how much do I need as the startup capital, as my investment amount? Is the amount that I deposit on my trading account for achieve $67. You can't deposit $100 and expect to make 67 every day. You can't deposit $50 and expect to make $67 every day. Can I $100? Or $67 every day. That is 67% profit daily from $100. That is impossible. Don't buy the Khanzabo done and dusted. That is impossible. That is total risk for you, $100 account owner, to make $67 every day. That is you hanging your account, risking 67% of your initial deposits. So don't expect to make 20,000 pula per month, $100. Now, I'm going to give you a short lesson. For $67 every day, you need to have an account of a minimum of $500, which is about 6,700 pula. With $500, you can easily, with low risk, as I'm the risk forex. So with a $500 account, you can easily accumulate a profit of $67 every day with very less risks. That's when you can make 20,000 pula every month. Oh, it's orange. Could I hela? The 20,000 pula mo you leave your $500, you continue doing that. Can I you wish to leave your 20,000 pula mo account 10 plus that 500 USD, you can do so and increase the volumes to get better returns on the next month. That is planning in the forex markets. Engaging in the forex markets with your $10 and opening volumes kind of lot size about 0.10, it's you killing yourself. Can't sniper entry. Can't this that. Let's organize this. Let's be well organized. Now, sometimes I wonder why it's hard for us as forex traders to be organized. Like, why is it hard for us to be organized? Why do we always need to risk? Why do we always need, okay, fine, I do risk, I lose, but we need to limit the rate at which we risk accounts. The advice that I can give you as a forex trader, just don't focus on one trading account. You know, with Excess, you can open even 5 accounts, you can open multiple trading accounts. So stop this mentality of taking your 1,000 USD, your 500 USD, your 2,000 USD, or mama accounting your one. Managing your finances. If I have a $500 account, for example, I would take a $200 account, allocate it to one trading account. I'll get a $100 account, trading accounting, 50-50 just so that I have about 5 or 4 trading accounts. If I have 5 or 4 trading accounts, I can now think, okay, fine. This trading account here will pay my rent. That particular trading account here will pay school fees sabana. That one care petrol. That one care the grocer. That's you managing Even the risks, so to apply forex, will be less. Because okay, fine. Mo kgweding ke tlhoka le grocery at 2,000 pula, for example. 2,000 pula divided by 22 days. How much do I need to make in a day? I need to make so and so amount. So just make that with a $50 and $100. Close that account, focus more trading accounts and trading, and do whatever target you wish to do. Let's trade with targets. Let's trade smart. Let's be smart in this game, in this industry. We are here as Land Forex Trading Botswana to educate you in that. No, I have $100 now, I want to make 30,000. Let the commercial traders, which are banks, be your competitor. You know that if you take your 1,000 USD over Misago banking, the bank will give you 3% after 12 months. Whereas when now, as a retail trader, you can be able to make that 3% every day. But now, because you are in the industry of forex, you tend to want to risk more. You want to make 100%. Yet you have saved your money at the bank for after 6 months, back on 3%, the kind of 7%. Why it was an forex? Or what 100%? Who said forex money is easy? Let's think. Let's change the way we think about forex. Kilo naba hai tulir bulaisang di chaba, kilo nalir bulaisang the other communities. Kilo naba le dirang hormente askai regulated with forex officially. Because you just want fast money. Yet got it wrong. No, but more forexing, you just want to take the $50 and make $1 million. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you, right? The gold. I just wanted to share the gold with you. Note this price here, the 32.81. I'm expecting to buy it there. What it's currently dropping, and we are expecting for this drop either by tomorrow or latest Wednesday. As the FOMC report comes, that's when we expect to see the bullish gold. Kanakamu, so I'm not sure about the retail sales. If it happens that there is retail sales, yes, we might see the bullish trend starting to show. Mehla, let's be patient. By 33.83. Yet we still have a bearish trend heading to 32.81. But let's manage this. Let's be smart in this, okay? Let's be as smart as we can when it comes to forex trading. But anyway, it's very late, 21:27. But I think whatever that I've mentioned here, you will apply it and see what I better jam. FOMC Wednesday, 8 p.m. Look at gold, right? Let's try that and see what will happen. Anyway, we are located in Mogobe Plaza, CBD. Land Forex Trading Botswana Academy. Land Forex Trading Botswana Academy. Let me just quickly turn my cameras and show you. Have big screening, and we also have other sections. One-on-one, where you'd come here and learn. I get it. So this is what we have in Land Forex Trading Botswana. But anyway, yeah. So okay, so na school sa rona ba so ari to them forex. Let's learn this. Let's not just trade because we want money. No, let's learn. Oh, it's my dad. Money will come. Money will come. We are living in a situation in the crisis. Iko dimu bahaito ditiro le tlhokola ditiro la palama. We are seeing the government struggling with a lot of things. So let's help the government by creating opportunities rona ka borona and not relying more on the government. We do have that's trading. But you just can't come onto trading and think that you will win without knowledge. Knowledge first, the rest will follow, ladies and gentlemen. So let's do that. How do you keep them bill again? Promise me that you will definitely come to learn forex trading Botswana and learn first before engaging in trading. Again, a kgotso ya modimo e be le lona mo letsatsing la gompieko. Have yourself a good night. Get ready to buy more gold. Thank you.